everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, it's not the greatest haul as it was on Monday. This week's kind of like a slow week. There's a great deal with lipstick for Revlon, but other than that, it's an okay week. I'm excited for next week because there's some other good deals, especially points for that. But I'm here to just dig in and share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. So the first deal I ended up doing is these Barbasol Razors. Now I don't know if I ever bought the Barbasol Razors or not. I probably bought them a long time ago. But these are $3.99. Now we just got some $2 off coupons in this past Sunday's paper. So you guys would end up paying, and I totally did not even write the price down. You guys, I think, would pay $3.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $2 register reward, which I just had it in my hands. You guys will get a $2 register reward, making these $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, you know, in case you guys need to get some razors. Now there's the same deal going on with the Pure Silk razors. So I did the same deal. Again, $3.99. You guys want to use $2 off coupons from this past Sunday's paper. You would pay $3.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $2 register reward, making these $1.98 or just 99 cents a piece. Now, since it's both the same deal, I did have to do 2 separate transactions, so everything that I got was in 2 separate transactions, because if you can mix and match, so you can buy one Barbasol and one Pure Silk if you guys want to, but in order to do the deal both times, you need to do it in separate transactions. So I'm excited to kind of try these. I mean, they look pretty decent. I mean, they're very, you know, eye appealing to me. So sharing you guys that deal. I did the soft soap deal again because a lot of you guys are enjoying that. So these were $1.99. They are buy one, get one 50% off. Where's my fourth one? Yeah, so these are buy one, get one. I'm having problems, you guys. I spilled food on my shirt 3 times today, and it's only 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so got that going on. But yeah, so these were $1.99, buy one, get one 50% off. There's no coupons. You guys cannot use the coupons for these ones. You can only use the coupons for the bigger sizes, just giving you guys a heads up, and I think the bigger sizes are $2.99. But $5.97 for all 4 of these, but then you get 4,000 points when you buy 4, making it $1.97 or just 49 cents a piece. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So in case you guys need to do that, or you just need to boost some of your stuff, like from those extra care bucks that we have, you guys can definitely do that. Now, I ended up making a mistake, you guys, on Sunday. I did not realize I made a mistake, but it happens. I ended up using that Revlon tool coupon. Now, I thought it was off any tool, but it was only for the eyes. So I ended up getting nail files, and one of you guys pointed it out, and I totally made a mistake, because sometimes they change it. Like last month, I thought you could use it, but this month you can't. But so, made a mistake, but things happen. But I ended up doing the eyebrow pencils, and you guys know what? I totally forgot to write this down. But these were, I think these were $3.79. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons. You end up paying $4.58. I'll do the math for you guys. I totally forgot to write it down. But you would pay $4.58 for this. But then you guys would get 3,000 points, making it $1.58. So if you guys are interested in that, that's like a little less than, you know, it's like 70-something cents a piece. So it's up to you guys if you guys want to do that. But these are just tweezers. One thing I like to have around the house is tweezers and nail clippers, because you never know when you have a sliver or you need them, and it's just great to have around the house. And then I ended up getting the Revlon Lip Balm. Now my coupon scanned just fine today. Sunday, I don't know why it did not, but I ended up getting this. One of these is like sticking out. But these were $4.99, you guys. And with that buy one get one free coupon, you guys can use that. And you would pay $4.99 for 2 of them. But then you guys will get a $5 register reward when you buy 2 of them. The tag actually says 1. So you could buy 1 and see if it prints off, but I'd rather buy 2 because that's kind of what the ad said. But yeah, so you guys will get a $5 register reward when you guys do that. So these would become absolutely for free. So since I did 2 separate transactions, I did the deal twice. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. And the flavor I got is tropical coconut and sweet cherry. She's like, did you just clear out my shelf? I says, no, I just bought 4 of them. She's like, I just filled that thing full yesterday. And I says, nope, I just bought 4 of them and it was like all empty. She's like, holy crap. And I'm like, yeah, but you know what? That's happened. That's awesome. I actually like the lip balm. The only bad thing about it is it does tint your lips if you guys are not prepared for that. But I do like that. So I was just trying to find, I wanted to do the Tresemme hairspray deal, but my store was sold out. Not a big deal, but I was trying to figure out some other, you know, scenarios and deals, and I ended up seeing a spot for charcoal. Now I just bought a bunch of charcoal at CVS, but I'm like, okay, there's more charcoal. I'm like, do I need any more? Yeah. So they had, what was it? They had this one. They had the Light Instantly Match Light. They had this one for 99 cents on clearance. I thought that was a pretty good deal. So this was originally 10 bucks and they wanted 99 cents for it. So I'm like, okay, if that means this charcoal's on clearance, I'm going to go over to the entrance where they have all their grilling stuff and see if there's anything else. So they did have clearance tags for the stuff that's by the door, and I will insert the picture. But they did have all that stuff marked, but it wasn't marked the 90% price. It was only marked, I think, like the 70% price. So I'm like, okay, can I do a price check? So I ended up giving her this one. I says, can you price check this one? She's like, yep, this one's $8.99. So it came out to be 89 cents is what this one came out to be. And this one I think is a bigger bag maybe than the one that was at CVS. Not 100% positive, but 89 cents for that is an awesome deal. And then this one was just kind of laying in the back, and I'm like, oh, can you price check this one? So this one you just light the bag. It's an easy light bag. So this one was $6.99 originally, and I got it for 69 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. And we do a lot of grilling, and so I just got those 3 bags. They still had a ton of other charcoal, but I didn't want to, like, I don't need it all, so I just got what I needed. But they also had the charcoal lighter fluid. Now this was originally $6.49. Now this wasn't, they had one tag like way over here and the products were over here, and I'm like, I'm just gonna price check it. So she's like, yep, these are 64 cents. So I'm like, okay, I'll get them. They only had 2 of them, so I ended up buying both of them. And then they had lighters also, and I'm like, hey, can you price check these? And those were regular price. So I got that stuff. I was pretty excited, you know, to get some grilling stuff, even though it's not grilling season as much. We in Wisconsin still grill out. Even when it's snowing, we will grill out. But yeah, so I did get some, you know, 90% off stuff, which I was pretty excited for. I don't know when that hit, but just giving you guys a heads up. But my total came to $10.81 for everything. Now I did pay with register rewards from last week, so I just made my pocket a little bit smaller. I feel like my blush is on way too strong. But I ended up receiving $12 back of register rewards, $2.05 for the both Revlon transactions, and then two $2 ones for the Pure Silk and Barbasol. So I ended up getting $12 back with register rewards, and then I ended up getting 12,000 points, which is equivalent to $12. I hit beauty, so that was 5. I got the soft soap, so that was 4, so that's 9. And then I did the Revlon tools, so that's 10, 11, 12. So I ended up getting 12,000 points for that. So my grand total came to like a $13.19 moneymaker. I got everything pretty much for free if you guys really think about it, which I was pretty excited for. I always paid in points, so I only paid a couple cents. I think the most I paid was like $1 out of my actual pocket. that's just to cover tax. So I was pretty excited for that. I hope you guys enjoyed my small Walgreens haul. I'm hoping next week's going to be a great week, so maybe you guys can use up those register rewards. And again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.